Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start with materials: 1 piece of sugar-free gum and a small stack of paper. Cut each square to 3 by 3 inches for standard notes. Use parchment or wax paper to protect your work surface while you handle the gum. Keep scissors, a ruler, and a toothpick nearby for spreading. Work on a flat table with good lighting and a timer set for 3 minutes. Wash hands before and after handling the gum to keep notes clean. Chew 1 piece of gum until soft and pliable, then remove any excess saliva by patting on parchment. Flatten the gum into a thin strip approximately 1/4 inch wide using a toothpick or edge of a ruler. Place the strip on the back top edge of a 3 by 3 inch note and press firmly for 3 minutes so the gum bonds to the paper. Repeat for each note, aligning edges for uniform stickiness. Let the notes rest undisturbed for 45 minutes to firm slightly. After the gum sets, test 1 note on a clean surface and press gently to adhere for 2 seconds. Replace the gum edge after about 7 to 10 reuses or sooner if it collects dust or loses tack. Do not eat or reuse chewed gum for hygiene reasons and discard any note whose adhesive is contaminated. Store finished notes flat in a dry container away from heat and direct sun to prevent melting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.